Hello friends, welcome to another video of mine. In today's video I'm going to show you my new Huda Beauty 4 filter foundation stick. It is comparatively new. It's just, I think, just launched last week. So 10-15 days back it just launched, and apparently I just went to my local boot store because they have got a separate counter for the Huda, and I bought the shade. I was just looking for, like the random swatches of the 4 filter foundation, the liquid foundation, because I don't have that. So I just went with a random and picked up the shade 310G, thinking that it's like medium with golden skin and with the golden undertones. So it was 310G Amaretti, but when I bought that home, it was that bit darker for me, and it was like when I was swatching it into my skin, and you won't believe, I just filmed the video with that, but I couldn't just post it because it was not looking as my foundation. So I went back and bought this in 300N Latte, and this is like my go-to shade which I'm going to be. So this is, I'll just tell you before we begin with the demonstration and everything. This is 12.5 gram of product, as you can see. And right now I'm barefaced, done nothing. So we'll straight away move into the packaging and everything. So if you're near to my skin tone, like if you're NC35 or near to my skin tone, I think this is going to be your color. It's nice. It's not with the golden undertone because that one was one shade darker than this. This one is with like you can say with a neutral undertone, which if you're going to just look, it fits me perfectly and it matches my neck also. That one was tad bit darker for me. So I'll just start. And for this video, for this specific video, I'm not going to apply any concealer. I'm just going to straight away start putting my foundation, and let's see how it performs, so you can get an idea how it does on a Indian and tan skin tone. So you can say, so before moving to this, let me start with the blending. I am going to use my, the normal foundation brush, and just to start initially, you can say it blends so easy. You can see. Sorry guys, I haven't posted. With me, I try posting like thrice a week, but I had got some problem with my editing software, so I wasn't able to post last week. I'm so sorry. I'm just looking for a new software which I can use. You can see it just blended my foundation so easily without any extra effort. I'm just going to take it downwards. See, you can still see my marks, you can still see my acne, you can still see my beauty spots, some of my freckles. So this side also for the same. What I'm going to do is, someplace, instead of using a concealer, I'm just going to use this one more time, just for, and this, you can see it's like quite nice buildable foundation. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and since it's in a stick form, you can see from the tube, it's like quite rotating, and 12.5 gram of product, which I think is a lot for a foundation, for a stick foundation, because in a moment I'm just going to compare it with some other foundations which I have, the stick ones, so that you can get an idea. Just see, it's looking brilliant. And especially, when in those days when you don't want to have liquid foundation, when you don't want too much patchiness and too much things going on in your skin, you just want a neutral, a very light makeup, maybe like a BB cream or a CC cream. So I think this is a very good thing to go for. And now let me finish with other makeups. And for this, I'm going to use Brow Styler. I'm just going to do very neutral today. Nothing too crazy. Guys, what? Sometimes, because mostly I love filming in Hindi, to be very honest. But just because it's like some of the things where you want to be specific with, because I get thinking of words in my mind and then putting it forward. And with Hindi, it's just whatever कहते हैं ना कि जो दिमाग में आया बस बोल दो. So it happens. I don't know whether it's happening with you. I think with our side it happens. Although we speak English, everyone speaks English, we speak Punjabi, you feel more confident and you feel more well versed when you speak Hindi. So that's it. And today I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to do anything because I'm going to just keep the main focus is I'm not going to apply any bronzers. I'm just going to leave it as it is so that the main focus could be the foundation. You can just see the foundation on its own. It's looking very nice. It's looking nice, dewy. And let me compare with some other foundations which I have. And this one is like the Smashbox, one of my favorites. I always recommend to carry a foundation sticks when you are traveling, not necessary from Huda Beauty or from Smashbox, any drugstore, affordable ones. You can have Makeup Obsession or Wet n Wild even does one. So any foundation sticks, because I find it more practical, more economical and more sturdy also while you're carrying it in a makeup bag and traveling. So this is the Smashbox one, and I'm just going to swatch side by side. I'll show you what I have got. This is the Hourglass one, which is in the shade beige, and this is in the shade 2.4. I have got 2.1 also with this. And this is the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Honey. This is very dark for me right now, and this is 1.2 in Smashbox. So let me just begin with swatching the foundation so that you guys can have a look. If you're going to see, this is the Huda foundation stick. This is the foundation, the Huda one, which is very close to my skin tone right now. And let me just start with different other ones, because since Smashbox, I love this because it has got like the contour. And I don't know whether this foundation is discontinued or not, but mine is like too old. I used to love stick foundation so much. I used to have this all the time with me. You can see this one is very much light for me. So I just, whenever, this is the Huda one, this is the Smashbox 1.2, which is very much light for me. So I use it mostly as a concealer, or mostly as a, or whenever I use this, I need to apply a bronzer a lot. And this is 2.4, which is going to be my current shade, or even 2.2. So you can see. So this is the Smashbox 2.4, or yeah, at the moment, which is going to be matching my skin tone. Not a good swatch, but still, just to give you an idea. And here is the Hourglass foundation. This is the Hourglass, another very creamy foundation. And I'm just going to swatch next to the Huda one. You can see this is like the shade beige. Again, it's lighter for me right now. And I'm going to just swatch Huda Beauty one more time. If I'm just going to compare the products of, so you can see Hourglass and Huda Beauty side by side. So this is Hourglass in the shade beige, and this is the Huda in the shade 300N. So right now I'm very close to Huda Beauty 300N Latte. So that's my perfect tone. And if I'm going to compare with one of the most popular foundation stick whenever it comes to foundation, and sorry, I forgot to swatch Honey. This is Bobbi Brown stick foundation in the shade Honey. Honey is not my shade right now. You can see it's completely dark, not for me. So I am more like this in the summer month. In summer month, I use it, or maybe I just mix and match with some other foundation to make it work. So this is Honey, if you're going to say the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. This is Honey, this is the Huda 300N, and this is beige. So just depending upon, I just mix and match. I don't buy different from one shade. It's just this case, Smashbox is different because I got good deals. I just bought it from Bista. Because I think this foundation is discontinued, so they had some nice deals, so I just pick up one or two. But if just coming back to the Huda foundation, if I'm just going to compare this with the hourglass, you can still see it's quite creamy, the hourglass, but nevertheless this one itself is very creamy. It's quite blendable. It really blends in the skin, so that's why you can see it's coming through very nice. And if I'm just going to give you like how many products, how many grams of products in this, there is almost, this one is 7.2 grams. I'm just trying to focus because I do not have a box for this, and this is I think it's 7.2 and this is 12.5. So if you can see the product difference, you're getting almost, not almost, but nevertheless almost half, almost double the product in Huda. So it's quite good value for money, and I just bought it on sale. So I just got it from 27 pounds. That is like, that time Boots were having a discount for 15% off on Hudas, on different premium skin makeup brands. So still you can get it I think for 32 pound, which is not a bad price at all considering it's a Huda foundation. So hopefully this is my review for the foundation stick, and hopefully you like it. And if you like it, do support my channel, guys. I really need your support. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, that so that you can get an update or notification whenever I upload or post a new video. And see you on the other side of my channel. Bye guys.